This is how you set up on-screen alerts for your Twitch streams. So there's a ton of different programs that you can use to set up alerts. I'm going to show you how to use Twitch's own alert box, but it's basically the same concept for all other sites. So go to your Twitch, click your picture, and go to your creator dashboard. Then click alerts and click create alert box. Now there will be all these alerts you can set up. They're all enabled by default and they all have a default little picture, sound, and text. So they're basically ready to go just like this. So click on any alert and on the right side is where you customize. Most basic customizations are under text and speech, where you can choose what words appear on screen, the font, and the color. And you can click here to enable text-to-speech for the alert. Under visuals and sound is where you can upload a custom image and sound for the alert. By the way, you can find free GIFs on Giphy and free sounds on myinstance.com. Now, a cool thing that Twitch alerts do that no other alert site does is celebrations. So if you go into an alert and enable celebrations, when that alert happens, your emotes will spill all over the whole web page. Not like an emote explosion that only spills emotes on your overlay. You can choose whether to have them spill over just the chat or even the whole page. Now, if you click on each alert type, you'll see sub-alerts called variations. These are specific alerts that go off when certain criteria are met. This is how people have certain sounds or GIFs play when a specific number of bits is cheered, for example. To create a variation, click on the alert and then click New Variant. Under General Settings is where you can set the parameter for what should trigger this specific alert. So if I want this alert to trigger for exactly 555 bits, I'd set it like this. So when you're happy with your alerts, last thing you're going to do is save the alert box. Then you're going to copy the URL here. Go into your streaming software and add a browser source and then paste that URL here. Now when you send a test alert, you'll see it on your stream preview here. Like and follow if you found this helpful.